Very good morning, students. We discussed respiration in organisms yesterday. Yes. So, as a part of our lesson, we will do some activities today. How plants generally do breathe. We know that plants also take breath. Yes. In the respiration process, plants also release the carbon dioxide. So, whether plants really release carbon dioxide on respiration, we can check with one activity. For that, I took lime solution, which means I added lime powder and I added some water. By that, I prepared lime solution, and I am placing the inside beaker. Already, I put some flowers of the plants inside the beaker, and I am keeping the water glass above this due to escape the carbon dioxide from this beaker. We know that when carbon dioxide passes through the lime water, or when carbon dioxide reacts with the lime water, that lime water color change into the milky white. Yes. So we will check. For that we need to keep this arrangement for half an hour at least aside. Okay. After half an hour we will check the color of the lime water. Next, we discussed about some animals, how do they respire. Yes, we discussed about fish yesterday. This is the specimen of fish. Fish contains each side flaps. Yes, fish ki each side unte flaps unte. Below these flaps, gills will be there. When fish take water and it pushes water towards the gills, that gills absorb the dissolved oxygen in water. Okay. Always fish, what does it do? Always it keeps opening and closing its mouth. That time water enters into this mouth. It pushes that water towards the gills. With the help of gills, fishes generally take breath. Next we discuss about the frog. Okay, frog generally use lungs for respiration. Okay, all these are specimens. Specimens are generally stored in the formaldehyde. Okay, na? Specimens are generally stored in formaldehyde solution storage. Okay, right. This is a frog. Frog generally use lungs. We know that frog can live in water as well as on land. When it lives on land, it uses the lungs for general respiration. Sometimes frog undergoes deep sleep or in depth into the soil. Sometimes that time it uses its skin for respiration process. If we touch the skin of a frog, it looks like moisture or moisture. It allows to touch and the moisture. So frog's skin also helps in respiration. That is why it can live in water or in the depth of the soil. When frog exists in the larva stage, that is the tadpole larva. Here you can see the larva of frogs, as we see in our lesson. So these are the tadpole larvae. When this frog exists in the larva stage, that time it use the gills. Tadpole larva also use the gills for its respiration. And these are the earthworms. You may have already seen. These are the earthworms. Yes, earthworm also use its skin for respiration. Earthworm kuda em uses the skin. If we touch earthworm's skin, also it looks like moisture. The skin touches its skin moisture. It is very soft skin. It contains a very soft skin. Yeah, it keeps always its skin moisture. So when oxygen dissolves in this moisture layer, that dissolved oxygen this earthworm uses. Or dissolved oxygen earthworm uses. Okay. So this is how animals generally take breath. And we know that we use our lungs for our respiration. మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, మన లంగ్స్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ ఫిష్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, fish which organs are using in respiration? Gills. And Frog, skin and lungs. And tadpole, tadpole also use the gills. And earthworm, earthworm use the skin. Okay, alright. And already we placed the lime solution in this beaker. Okay. So what will happen after some time? The lime solution color change from the off-white to milky white due to the plants also take the breath. On breathing, plant also release the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide reacts with the lime water and it turns the lime water color into milky white. So that is a confirmation test for the plants also do the respiration or breathing. Is it right? Have you understood well? Right. So this is the calcium hydroxide, means nothing but lime. Calcium hydroxide, nothing but lime. That lime powder I took and I prepared the lime solution. Okay. This one is the watch glass and this one is beaker. These are the specimens. Specimens generally stored in the formaldehyde solution. Okay na? Formaldehyde solution keeps the specimens as it is for long time. మరి చాలా కాలం పాటు స్పెసిమెన్స్ పాడవకుండా స్టోర్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే రైట్. సో యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్, యూ కెన్ టేక్ అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ది స్పెసిమెన్స్. కమ్ అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ది స్పెసిమెన్స్ క్లోజ్లీ. ఓకే రైట్.